DApp is a complete end-to-end content delivery platform for creating a membership site and for securely delivering different types of content. Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of DigitalAccessPass.com, fondly known as DApp. DApp is a membership plugin for WordPress. Using DApp, you can create a members-only site where your users, free or paid, can log in to access their product, content, training, bonuses, courses, and community. No matter what type of membership model you are looking to implement, there's a good chance that DApp will support that model. Online course model, content drip model, tiered membership, product bundling, free trial, pay what you want model, rewards-based membership site, group membership, magazine model, activity-based content release model, all access, and so much more. DApp will allow you to sell access to all types of content: video, audio, articles, PDF files, WordPress pages, posts, categories, courses, trainings, webinar. You can use DApp for your free products or to charge for premium content in many different ways: one-time fee, recurring subscriptions, free trial, paid trial, renewals, payment plans, and so on. You will have full control over the content that your users can see based on the membership or products that they have signed up for or purchase from you. You can create unlimited products, unlimited membership levels, and you can have unlimited members. There are no limits. Your members can be part of one or more products or one or more membership levels at once, and they can access all of their products under a single account. As far as content protection, you have several options. You can fully protect your content. You can use DApp to partially protect your content using shortcodes. If you only want to protect certain parts of a page or post, you can do that too. DApp also comes with a sneak peek feature. You can use that to display teaser content. Content that you have above the more tag, it will be displayed to all, but the full post can only be viewed by logged in members that have access. DApp can power your entire sales funnel. You can use DApp to create and deliver your lead magnets, your front-end offer. DApp also has a built-in LMS. You can use DApp to create and deliver your online courses, and you can use DApp to control access and billing for any product or service that you want to provide. Now, as far as content delivery, you have several options with DApp. Number one, instant access. You can give your members instant access to your premium content upon purchase. Number two, ongoing access. You can publish new content on an ongoing basis, and you can make it available to your members. Number three, activity-based release. Release of content is controlled by members' progress. For example, access to next lesson is locked until users confirm that they have completed the current task or the current lesson in your course. Number four, drip feed content. You can use day-based dripping or date-based drip model. The day-based drip schedule is based on members' start date to your product or service. The date-based drip schedule is based on a specific start date. Content will be available to all users on the same date. You can use it to implement a magazine-style subscription model. DApp even supports Netflix-style pay-per-post model where you can offer your content for rent or for purchase. The cool thing about the pay-what-you-want model is that you don't have to create a new product for every piece of content that you want to sell. If you want to sell, for example, your video content or audio content and say that it's embedded on a WordPress page or a post, all you have to do is enable pay-per-post on that page or on that post, and your users will see the teaser content, and there will be a buy now, rent, and membership option. Again, what options you show here, it's completely up to you. You can configure that in the back end. DApp automatically generates these buttons and displays it in the front end to the users that don't yet have access to it. But if they sign up, this page will unlock and they will get instant access. In fact, our shopping cart plugin, Smart Pay Cart, it comes with an instant storefront feature. So it's not just for your products, but you can create an instant store for your content. So if you have WordPress pages and posts that you want to display in your store, without creating a product for each, you can do that too. So you can create a store, give it a name, then you can select WordPress content that's going to be part of the store. You can select a template, fully customize the look and feel of the template, and select a checkout page where users can check out. You can use any of your SPC checkout pages, and that's it. You can create the store, and it will give you a shortcode that you can publish anywhere you want, and it's going to show a store like this. Alright, you can see this is the front end, and it's so easy to create a store like this with your content pages. These are not products, but these are your WordPress content, your WordPress pages and posts. You can create an instant store like this using your WordPress content. And you can see here these buttons are created by SPC automatically. It links to your SPC checkout page where users can complete purchase. Or if you want a layout like this, you can do this too. So you can select the template in the backend and create an instant store using the SPC's Paper Post storefront feature. You can even offer points as an incentive to get users to purchase your products and services and allow them to use those points in your store or use it as a currency to pay for your products and services on your checkout page. Also, we release new DApp updates all the time, but it's really easy to upgrade DApp. All you have to do is click on the upgrade button. You will see an upgrade button. If you are on an older version of DApp, just click on it to complete the upgrade with the click of a button. In fact, DApp also comes with the setup wizard. So if you're using DApp for the first time, if it's your first membership site and you want to quickly set up your membership site, all you have to do is fill in some of the details, and of course you can always update it later. Now let me give you a quick tour of DApp and show you how easily and quickly you can set up your membership site using DApp and then continue to build and scale it as needed. Step number 1, create your product in DApp. Everything is a product in DApp, whether it's your free offer, whether it's a membership level, online course, training, whatever the case may be, it's all a product in DApp. Just create a product, designate the product as free or paid. If it's a paid offer, you can set up the billing and access details, how many days of access you want to give the users when they sign up, and how do you want to charge the users. Is it going to be a one-off fee? Are you going to charge them on a recurring basis? Is it going to be a monthly subscription? Is it going to be an annual subscription? And do you want to offer a trial, free trial, paid trial? All of those details, you can set it up in the billing and access tab. Set up a welcome email. This is the email that users are going to receive when they sign up for the product or purchase the product. In the welcome email, you can send them the login credentials, assign one or more pieces of content to the product. Now, this is the content that users are going to get when they sign up for the product or when they purchase the product. And then specify how the content should be delivered. Do you want users to get instant access to it? Do you want the content to be drip fed to them? Specify the content delivery method. That's it. Save the product, you're done. If it's a free product, you can generate a sign-up form in DApp and publish the sign-up form on your opt-in page. For your free offer, the user flow will look something like this. Users come to your site, they sign up on your opt-in page, they will get instant access to the content that's part of the free product. DApp will also automatically generate a password for these users when they sign up and send it to them in the welcome email. And that's it. Users can log in and access the content that you have set up under the free product. Now for the paid product, the flow is slightly different. For your paid product, you need to create your products page or your sales page in WordPress, and then you will need a payment button so users can purchase your product or service. So how do you do that? There are a few options. First thing is you need to create your product in DApp, set up the billing and access details, set up the content under the product, and all of the regular product stuff. Once you have done that, now you need a payment button for the product. There are a few ways you can do this. Number 1, if you just want to use PayPal to sell your product, you can get DApp to generate payment buttons and you can publish that on your sales page. Users can make the purchase using PayPal. Option number 2, if you want to use an external shopping cart plugin or platform and integrate that with DApp, you can do that too. You'll find the details in our documentation page. But what's the best option? We have a shopping cart plugin called SmartPay Cart. SmartPay Cart, fondly known as SPC, is a shopping cart plugin that's made for DApp. So instead of overloading DApp with too many shopping cart type of features, what we did was we created a completely separate plugin, and it's one of the most customizable, easy to use and powerful shopping cart plugins. Your users will be logged into their membership as soon as they complete their purchase. They don't even have to wait for a welcome email to log in. Also, you don't have to duplicate your products in SPC, cutting down the time it takes for you to create payment buttons because SPC can pick up product details from DApp. You just have to let SPC know what DApp product you want to create the payment button for, fill in a few details, and that's it. You will have a payment button in no time. SPC is one of the very few shopping cart platforms that supports all types of payment buttons, from a buy now button where you can sell individual products to a pay what you want button where your users can decide what they want to pay for your product or service, and you can set a minimum amount. They have to at least pay the minimum amount for your product or service. SPC supports a donation button, add to cart buttons where users can add multiple items to the cart and check out all of those products at once. Also, you can use SPC to create an instant storefront, a store where you can display all of your products and services. You can also create a store where you can sell individual pieces of content such as audio, video, PDF files. SPC can do so much. I'm not going to go over all the details in this video, but go to smartpaycard.com to learn more about SPC. And also the good news is SPC is included in many of the DApp licenses. So go check out the pricing page and you will find all the details there. Now let's take a quick look at what the user experience is like for your paid products or services. Users arrive on your sales page. Let's say they decide to buy your product or service. They click on the payment button and they land on your checkout page. On the checkout page, they fill out the details and complete the purchase. Upon completion of purchase, you can send them wherever you want them to go. You can send them to your members area, because if you use our shopping cart plugin, Smart Pay Card, they will be automatically logged into the membership, or you can send them to a generic welcome page or thank you page or your first upsell page. That's completely up to you. It's fully configurable. DApp also comes with a very unique member page builder. If you want to create your login page or other member-facing pages such as content page, profile page, affiliate page, invoice page, member cancellation page, you can create it with the click of a few buttons. If you want DApp to create these pages for you automatically, you can just say yes here, select the pages you want DApp to create, and it will create it for you. However, if you want to have more control over the pages and want to customize the pages, you can just select the page you want to create and you can follow the steps. For example, say you want to create a login page for your membership site. Now you just have to create one login page. When users log in, they can access all of their products, all of their content when they go to the content page. So you do need to create a content page as well, because this is a page where your users will find all the products and all the content that they have signed up for or purchased from you. All right, so let's say you want to create a login page. All you have to do is just click on login page here and then just follow the steps here. Give your login page a name, click to create the page, and then click to customize the template. It will bring you to the customizer. You will see several options here to fully customize your login page template. If you want to have an image on your login page, you can. If you don't, you can turn it off. And everything that you see here is click and edit. And when you save the page, it's going to give you a shortcode. You can take the shortcode and publish it wherever you want a login form for your membership site to appear. It's going to insert the shortcode automatically on the login page that you select in step 1. But you can copy this anywhere you want, wherever you want the login form to appear. Now, when users log in, say that you want to send them to a member homepage where they can find a list of all the products, all the services that they have signed up for or purchased from you, both free and paid, then you do need to create a My Content page where they will find all the products and all the content under each one of those products. Similarly, on the member homepage, you can add a link to the profile page where users can update their account information, their password. It's really easy to create all of these pages. Everything can be fully customized. Just click on the button here and just follow the steps to create the page. For example, say that you want to create a My Content page. Just click on this button. It will bring you to a page like this where you can give your content page a name, and you can select options if you want to display all the products users have, and even the ones that they don't yet have, so you can upsell them the products and services that they don't have yet. You can select the second option, otherwise you can select the first option. And then you can select a template. There are several templates. You can select a one product per row layout, or if you have several products, you can select multiple products per row option where users can find all the products that they have in a format like this. And that's the cool thing about DApp. Everything is shortcode based. You have full freedom, full flexibility in terms of the look and feel of your member pages. Also, DApp has the most detailed reporting suite. You can track all types of membership stats from churn, retention, active subscriptions, expired subscriptions, free members, paid members, and you can see breakdown at product level. Pretty much all membership stats can be tracked in the DApp dashboard. DApp also comes with a built-in affiliate module where your members can be instantly enrolled as affiliates. From two-tier commissions, detailed reporting, commission override, pay-per-lead and pay-per-sale commissions, fully customizable affiliate dashboard. You can do it all using DApp. And DApp also comes with the built-in email autoresponder, email broadcast. So what that means is if you want to send out mass emails to your users, if you want to send follow-up emails, if you want to set an email drip sequence for your follow-up emails, you can do that using just DApp. You won't even need an external email platform, especially when you're starting out and you're looking to save cost wherever you can. You can just use DApp, and as your site starts to grow, as your membership site starts to grow, you can always connect DApp to an external platform, especially if you're looking for advanced segmentation, tracking, and advanced email marketing features. DAP also integrates with several external email platforms such as Aweber, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Drip, GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite, and we keep adding new email platform integration all the time. DAP also has an automation engine feature where you can just click a few buttons to connect your products to different email platforms. So each product in DAP can be connected to a different list. It really depends on your specific needs. You can use the DAP automation engine to add subscribers to your email platform, send tags. You can even send membership password to these email platforms. This way you can send out membership login credentials from your email platform. And also, if you want to integrate with a completely different email platform that we don't have a direct integration with, DAP integrates with Zapier. So you can integrate to your email platform using Zapier. You can connect DAP to your Zap and connect Zap to your email platform. We launched DAP back in 2008. DAP was one of the first membership plugins in the world. It has gotten better every single year. We listen to our customers, pay attention to their feedback, and we have improved DAP every single year. We are known for our customer support, and as I always tell our customers, when you are with DAP, you are family. No matter what type of membership site you're looking to build, there is a good chance that you can do it with DAP. I also have a Facebook group for DAPers. If you have any questions, you're welcome to join my group or just contact us through the Contact Us form on our site. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Veena Prashant. We hope to help you build a successful and profitable membership site, a successful and profitable online business using DAP. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.